To all of you. Student, this is lesson 19 of your English grammar section and the topic is conjunctions. So what is the conjunction? Usually conjunct something, something to relate as the definition is given in the box of the pink color. A conjunction is a word that joins words, phrases, or sentences. So conjunction is what? It is a word, a kind of connector that connects word, phrases, and sentences. As you can see the example of that is given below. Last year, Reena and Rupal went for a holiday. So here is conjunction is what? The conjunction is and because it is relating both sentence. Last year, Reena and Rupal went for a holiday. In the next sentence, Gomes must study or he will fail. So here or is the conjunction. So conjunction can be divided into the following three classes. So here is the classes, kind of the conjunctions that is given here. First is coordinating conjunction. So first conjunction, that is the coordinating. So let's see what is the coordinating. So two simple sentences can be joined together by the use of a coordinating conjunction. So आप दो सिंपल सेंटेंस को कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन का यूज करके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. So what are the coordinating conjunctions? Yeah, what are the words that included in the coordinating? As example is given and, for, or, but, still, yet, so, otherwise, as well as therefore. So these are the words that are included in coordinating conjunctions. Now let's see the example. The athlete was tired, still he kept on running. So here is still. Still is the coordinating conjunction. In the other sentence, Manas went to Australia and settled there. So here is and is the coordinating conjunction. Let's see the second, correlative conjunction. So what is the correlative? Conjunction used in pairs are called correlative conjunction. So वो conjunction जो pairs में use होते हैं as like either or, neither nor, but both and, not only but also, like that. If, although, this type of. So let's see both and. So these connection always used together as like we both love and honor Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Next is either or as like either Ali or Altaf will come today. Yeah, either Rina, yeah, her parents will go today. Next is neither nor. So neither nor in the negative sentence as like Nikhil can neither speak nor hear. Yeah, neither Shyam nor his brother come here daily. Next is not only but also as like he is not only intelligent but also a good orator. APJ Abdul Kalam not only a scientist but also a great personality of India. Next is the subordinating conjunction. So let's see what is the subordinating conjunctions. As like two simple sentences may be joined together by using subordinating conjunction. So दो simple sentence को आप subordinating conjunction का use करके join कर सकते हैं. As the examples given, when, as, because, if, that, though, although, till, until, before, after, since, unless, and so on. These are the words that are included in the subordinating conjunctions. So student, let's see what is the sentences that are given as an example. First is, as soon as I heard the bell, I opened the door. The farmers will be unhappy unless it rains. Like these are the subordinating conjunctions. So student, now these are the exercise that is given in these lessons. The first is as like Akshat did not get the job although he had all the necessary qualification. So this is the subordinating conjunction. Next is, you are not allowed into the club until you are a member. This is also the subordinating conjunctions. As it was Guru Parv, all the schools were closed. These all are the subordinating conjunctions. Next is, join each pair of sentences with the conjunctions. I could not sleep, I was tired. So we have to join these sentences by using the conjunctions. So here is given in the box. bracket although. So by using although we have to connect this word as like, sorry, sentence. Although I was tired, I could not sleep. Next is my toe was injured, I managed to walk home from school. 8. So we have to use the 8 conjunctions and have to make this sentence. So my toe was injured, 8 I managed to walk home from school. Next is you can use my car, you must drive carefully. So as long as is the subordinating conjunction. So as long as you use my car, you must drive carefully. We will be late, we must hurry. So we will be late unless we hurry. So these are these exercises that I will send you through the app. So student, these are the sentences, exercises that I have filled, and you also have to fill in your book. I will send to you as a homework. So till then you repeat and revise this lesson. Thank you.